Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Vishwash and I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. So today we are going to discuss a multiple choice question presented in front of you on the whiteboard. So such kind of question MCQ are very useful in your exams. So that's why I decided to pick this out. So first of all, I request you please pause the lecture and try by yourself, and the answer and the description I shall explain during the video, and at the end I shall explain how to get the answer within the 30 seconds. Okay, so please do it. I believe you have attempted by yourself, so now let me give you the answer. But in this condition, I shall not give you directly the answer. I will first go step by step such that your understanding will be better. First of all, read the question carefully. This is a secondary alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and heat. What is the major product of this reaction? Okay, so in such cases, I request you students, please try to understand what is asked in this question. See, this is a sulfuric acid and heat, means it's an alkene preparation. Okay, so what could be the major product in this case? In this case, first of all, concentrated sulfuric acid means it's a very strong acid. So through dissociation, what it will produce? It will produce H plus HSO4 minus, and we know H plus is a hard acid, so it have hard base, and alcohol is a hard base. This is the secondary alcohol, so the protonation is the first step. OH2 plus. Previously alcohol was not a good leaving group, but after protonation this OH2 plus it became a relatively better leaving group. Okay, so now what is the next step? See, since heat is given, so this prefers elimination process. So elimination of this OH. So what it will result? It will result this carbocation. Now, when there is a carbocation, I request you student, please be little careful. Why? Because it's a secondary carbocation, and we know carbocation can undergo rearrangement. Carbocation rearrangement, and what is the driving force for this rearrangement? That is stabilization. Means carbocation will undergo rearrangement in order to get a more stable carbocation. Is it possible? Here, that part you must be little careful. See, this is a secondary carbon. Along with that, there is a tertiary carbon, and one hydrogen is there. So what can undergo? This hydrogen can undergo migration here. So what it will result? It will result this tertiary carbocation, and this is more stable. Better to say relatively more stable. Relatively more stable. So why this is relatively more stable? Because number of hyperconjugation involved. See, in this case there are two hydrogen. There are two hydrogen. there are two hydrogen. One migrated. Okay, so for this carbocation 2 plus 2, 6 hydrogens are available for hyperconjugation. Whereas if you look at in this case, this is 3 and this is 3 hydrogen, CH3 and 1 hydrogen 4. So this is more stable. Fine. So hyperconjugation as well as plus I effect. By the way, hyperconjugation is a no bond resonance, means pi bond, this p orbital involved. Sigma donation means plus I effect operates through the sigma bond. Okay, please be careful. I have already uploaded lectures on hyperconjugation. So please visit if you have any difference, any difficulty in understanding. Fine. So now question, these carbocation will undergo elimination. Question, where elimination will occur? Actually, two possibilities, because either this or these both are same, no difference. Only this versus this. So two possible, just for your understanding purpose I am writing. So one, this is possible, another possible is this one. Okay. So this is the overall explanation of the problem. Now question, what is the answer? Just look at what I have asked. In MCQ it is also important what is the answer as well as what is asked in the question. Look at all. This matches. Sorry, this should be there. This is the answer. But rest are two not. Question we understood, but why not this? This means that what it will undergo? That carbocation, this secondary carbocation, what it needed to do? This secondary, let me clean this part. So this secondary carbocation undergo elimination, means this hydrogen need to be, means elimination, and it will come. Okay, so base. But this probability is very less. Why? Because the carbocation rearrangement is faster. This is, better to say, faster carbocation rearrangement. That's why it may be minor product but not major product. And look at question what I've asked. What is the major product of this reaction? Okay, so this is not possible. Why not this? See, in order to produce this, carbocation need to become here, means at this position, but this is also a secondary. From a tertiary, why a secondary carbocation will produce? It do not have any significant stabilization? Not possible. And this is simpler reduction because see that this bond got reduced. This carbon oxygen. If you forget other thing, means there is one hydrogen. So what is the oxidation state of this carbon? For this, so this is 0 0 minus 1 plus 1 0. In this case minus 2, that is reduction. But did I add any reducing agent? Constant sulfuric acid is not reducing, it may be oxidizing. Sometimes it shows the oxidizing property, but it is not reducing agent. So not possible. So answer of this is this one. Okay. So this is the answer. Now question. If such kind of question appears in your exam within less than 30 seconds, how can you do it? First of all, concentrate acid, hydroxyl, elimination. Fine. Result in secondary carbocation. You must do it in your brain, or you can write this thing in your paper. Along with that, there is a hydrogen, and migration can result in tertiary carbocation more stable. So you have to draw up to this. And if you can draw this thing, you can get result, because after that elimination, this, and as I told, what is asked in your question, what option is provided in your question, this one. So this is the answer. Within less than 30 seconds, you can conclude the right answer. Okay. So I believe you have understood this thing. This is the end of this discussion. I believe this video may be helpful for you. If it is, please write me on the comment box your opinion. So thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video.